Transformer. Transformer is passive electrical device. It is a static device. Transformer transfers electrical energy from one circuit to another through inductively coupled coils. Here we can see this is a transformer. This is a primary winding of transformer. This is a secondary winding of transformer. The input winding is called primary winding and the output winding is called secondary winding. The AC supply is given to primary winding. Due to this AC supply, there will be a alternating magnetic flux in transformer core. Transformer core is made from steel core. Let V1 be the primary voltage and V2 be the secondary voltage. And N1 is the number of turns at primary and N2 is the number of turns at secondary. Basic principle of transformer is electromagnetic induction. This is a schematic symbol of transformer. This is a winding, this is also a winding, and this is a core. This is a single line symbol. When the V1 is less than V2, then it is a step up transformer. Means if the input voltage is less and output voltage is high, then the transformer is called step up transformer. And when V1 is greater and V2 is smaller, then it is called step down transformer. Means the input voltage is higher and the output voltage is lower, then it is called step down transformer. In step up transformer, number of turns at primary is less than number of turns at secondary, and in step down transformer, number of turns at primary is greater than number of turns at secondary. Or we can say that if the number of turns at primary are more than number of turns at secondary, then it is a step down transformer. And if number of turns at secondary are more than number of turns at primary, then it is a step up transformer. Turns ratio is equal to number of turns at primary upon number of turns at secondary, and transformation ratio is equal to secondary voltage upon primary voltage is equal to number of turns at secondary upon number of turns at primary. This is also one more formula for transformer. V1 by V2 is equal to N1 by N2 is equal to I2 by I1.